Deep Learning Interview Practice Questions. Set 1. Question 1. What is the purpose of an activation function in neural networks? A. Introduce nonlinearity. B. Increase the number of layers. C. Reduce overfitting. D. Optimize gradient descent. The correct answer is A. Introduce nonlinearity. Activation functions introduce nonlinearity, enabling the network to learn complex patterns. Question 2. Which of the following is a popular activation function? A. Sigmoid. B. ReLU. C. tanh. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Sigmoid, ReLU, and tanh are commonly used activation functions in neural networks. Question 3. What does backpropagation do in deep learning? A. Updates the weights and biases. B. Computes the loss function. C. Performs gradient descent. D. Increases training data. The correct answer is A. Updates the weights and biases. Backpropagation updates weights and biases to minimize the loss during training. Question 4. What is the vanishing gradient problem in deep learning? A. Gradients become too small for weight updates. B. Weights become too large. C. Training takes too long. D. Model overfits training data. The correct answer is A. Gradients become too small for weight updates. The vanishing gradient problem happens when gradients become too small during backpropagation. Question 5. Which optimizer is commonly used in deep learning? A. ADAM. B. Gradient descent. C. SGD. D. RMS-Prop. The correct answer is A. ADAM. ADAM is widely used due to its efficiency and ability to adapt learning rates. Question 6. What is the main advantage of convolutional layers in CNNs? A. Capturing spatial hierarchies. B. Handling sequential data. C. Faster training time. D. Optimizing gradient descent. The correct answer is A. Capturing spatial hierarchies. Convolutional layers help capture spatial features and patterns in images. Question 7. What is the role of pooling layers in CNNs? A. Reduce dimensionality. B. Perform normalization. C. Extract features. D. Optimize weight updates. The correct answer is A. Reduce dimensionality. Pooling layers reduce dimensionality, improving computational efficiency and preventing overfitting. Question 8. Which technique prevents overfitting in deep learning models? A. Dropout. B. Gradient descent. C. Early stopping. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Dropout, gradient descent, and early stopping are techniques used to prevent overfitting. Question 9. Which layer in a neural network helps with sequential data? A. Recurrent layer. B. Fully connected layer. C. Convolutional layer. D. Normalization layer. The correct answer is A. Recurrent layer. Recurrent layers are specifically designed to handle sequential data, such as time series. Question 10. What is the purpose of a softmax function? A. To make predictions. B. To normalize output to a probability distribution. C. To calculate loss. D. To optimize weights. The correct answer is B. To normalize output to a probability distribution. The softmax function converts the output of the model into probabilities. Question 11. Which of the following is an example of a generative model? A. Convolutional neural network. B. Generative adversarial network. C. Recurrent neural network. D. Support vector machine. The correct answer is B. Generative adversarial network. GANs are generative models used for creating new data that resembles existing data. Question 12. Which layer is typically used for dimensionality reduction in deep learning? A. Pooling layer. B. Fully connected layer. C. Convolutional layer. D. Recurrent layer. The correct answer is A. Pooling layer. Pooling layers reduce the spatial dimensions of the input, making the model more efficient. Question 13. What is the purpose of batch normalization? A. Prevent overfitting. B. Speed up training. C. Improve convergence. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Batch normalization normalizes the inputs of each layer, improving training speed and performance. Question 14. Which of the following is a characteristic of recurrent neural networks? A. Handling sequential data. B. Image classification. C. Fast training. D. Nonlinear transformations. The correct answer is A. Handling sequential data. RNNs are designed to handle sequences, making them ideal for tasks like language modeling. Question 15. What does the term epoch refer to in training a deep learning model? A. One iteration through the entire dataset. B. One update of weights. C. The number of layers in the model. D. The batch size. The correct answer is A. One iteration through the entire dataset. An epoch refers to one full pass through the entire training dataset. Question 16. What is the key difference between LSTMs and GRUS? A. LSTMs are computationally more efficient. B. LSTMs have more gates. C. GRUS handle long-term dependencies better. D. GRUS are used for image processing. The correct answer is B. LSTMs have more gates. LSTMs and GRUS are both used for sequential data, but LSTMs have more gates. Question 17. Which method is used for weight initialization in deep learning? A. Random initialization. B. Zero initialization. C. Key initialization. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Weight initialization methods include random, zero, and key initialization techniques. Question 18. What does overfitting mean in deep learning? A. The model performs well on unseen data. B. The model performs poorly on both training and testing data. C. The model performs too well on the training data. D. The model generalizes well to unseen data. The correct answer is C. The model performs too well on the training data. Overfitting occurs when a model learns the noise, causing poor generalization. Question 19. Which of the following techniques is used for unsupervised learning? A. Reinforcement learning. B. K-means clustering. C. Linear regression. D. Support vector machines. The correct answer is B. K-means clustering. K-means clustering is an unsupervised learning algorithm used for clustering data. Question 20. Which type of neural network is best suited for image recognition? A. Convolutional neural network. B. Recurrent neural network. C. Multi-layer perceptron. D. Generative adversarial network. The correct answer is A. Convolutional neural network. CNNs are designed to handle spatial data, making them ideal for image recognition.